Hi everyone, this is grade 8, Elevate lesson 65, finding the area of polygons, specifically with triangles and trapezoids. So I think during your intro, spend 2 minutes. What is the difference between the formulas for a triangle and what is the formula for a trapezoid? Have students kind of like talk through them. Do they remember the formulas? They may have to look at their work from previous days to find them, or even this one pager to see. However, they're just practicing. And so one thing you can show students is that you can divide figures into rectangles and triangles to find the area. And so I do want you to model this question for them. Let them find the area of the green part, which is a triangle, using the triangle formula, and then let them find the area of the square. And then say, okay, but this is just the area of the triangle and this is just the area of the square. How do I find the area of the entire figure? We would have to add them together. So from there, you are going to also model question 1 and 2, just to show students and remind them of the different formulas. One is the area of a rhombus, and then the other one is the area of a trapezoid. In this example here, base may be a little bit challenging only because it seems like the shape is broken up into multiple parts, which you could find the area of the square and then find the area of one of the triangles and then find the area of the other triangle. However, we know that this is just a rhombus. And so what we can do is just combine our entire base. 3 plus 8 is 11. And then multiply the 11 times the 8, which is our height, which gives us a total of 88 centimeters squared. And then with trapezoid, we are going to use the formula from yesterday, base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. And so we have our base 1 plus our base 2, which is 16, times our height, 16 times 4, and then divide by 2. And from there, students are going to do some practice work with trapezoids and triangles. I've crossed out some of the questions just so students have 3 at-bats with trapezoids and 3 at-bats with triangles. Again, we have seen over the past few days that they have practiced how to do both. However, they have not practiced them within the same setting. And so it'll be interesting to see how students are using the formulas interchangeably in the same day within 15 minutes. Okay, and so then the last thing is their exit ticket, 5 minutes, volume level 0, independent. We want to see one question around triangles. Did they use the correct formula? Did they show their work? Did they get the correct answer? And then the same thing for question 10 with trapezoids, total of 6 questions. For the fluency today, students are continuing work with multiplying and dividing fractions. They haven't done division in a really long time, so today might be the day that you want to focus on that division using keep, change, flip, which is just multiplying by the reciprocal.